In this video, we're going to look at how OnTask uses conditional logic to power decisions in a workflow. In this case, we're generating a rental agreement. We have a field here for the fee. Based on that field, we're going to create a conditional branch with two different conditions. One branch recognizes that the fee is greater than or equal to $1,000. We want to have that reviewed before it's sent to the client. We have another condition, also known as a branch, that recognizes if the fee is less than $1,000. So, if it's greater than $1,000, it goes to an approval step that has to be approved by the manager. If it's less than $1,000, we can actually create a link down to skip these 3 steps and go straight to the client or the coach. We also have a separate condition down here because in some cases, for facilities, we want the client to upload a certificate of insurance. So let's go back to the start form. We have a checkbox where we want the manager of the facility to require the upload of the certificate of insurance. So again, we build another condition. This branch will check if that checkbox is checked. If it is checked, it'll produce this web form that requires the recipient to upload the certificate of insurance. If not, it just continues down the same path. Want to dive into OnTask and see how to use conditions to power workflow decisions? Go to ontask.io and start your free 14-day trial or schedule your custom demo today.